resist the yummy goodness of warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies? Almost melting in your hand and definitely in your mouth? And making them is not even hard. Come on, let me show you. This is the list of ingredients you need, but I will be mentioning them later as well. Let's cream together 1 stick of unsalted butter. Make sure it's room temperature, otherwise you're gonna have a hard time making it creamy. 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, preferably light, but dark works as well, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 large egg into the mix. Now, scrape the sides down with a spatula to get all the leftover butter incorporated. Let's add all the dry ingredients into a sifter. 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we sift it by thirds or a half, whatever you're comfortable with. I will do half here. Take a spatula and fold the flour into the mix. Use up all the flour and mix just until combined. It is fine if you still see some flour. We'll fix that later. Now you can add chocolate chips, nuts, or whatever you like to the mix. I will use 1/2 cup chocolate chips and mix it into the dough. But you can definitely add more chocolate chips if you like. You can use a cookie or ice cream scoop to place them on a baking sheet. But you can also make small balls with your hands. Each one should be about 2 tablespoons of dough. You could save some for later and put them into the freezer. I'm assuming you don't want to wait and bake them now. In that case, bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. Look how gooey they are. I can't wait to try them. Let me know in the comments below how yours turned out. Also, if you got any use out of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Enjoy the cookies!